In the next episode of Task Boot and his Orak will awake after the emergency surgery with no memory after months that changed his life. He will recognize the Fortana mansion, remembers old family grudges, and know Adil only as an enemy. But Elani will be stranger to him. The loss will devastate Elani because the man she forgets to save will look at her with suspicion. Father will use auric condition to reshape his memories. He will tell him that the Alanis manipulated him. The Alar attacked the wedding and that Kokari are holding and the Furtanas hostage throughout guilt. Auric will begin trusting Fateh and as the relative who speaks with a certainty. Doctor will warn everyone not to force memories, but Adil will struggle to remain patient when the Aurak excuses him of destroying the family. Alani will decide not to tell Aurak about their love. Instead, she will let him discover her character again through the small moments at the clinic. When a child is injured during a storm, Auric will watch Elani risk herself to reach the remote home. Something is her courage will feel familiar, and fragments of their past will return as sound rather than the images. At the same time, Fadime will find evidence that the Auric memories loss may not be entirely caused by the bullet. His blood contains traces of the drug capable of increasing confusion after the trauma. The drug was administered inside the hospital, meaning someone close enough to enter his room is deliberately keeping him disoriented. Suspicion falls on the nurse, but the security footage shows Amiri Hala visiting at the exact time the medication was given. Amiri denies harming him and reveals that she caught someone else leaving the room. She refuses to identify the person until the Adil agrees to protect a secret witness. Asmi will suspect that the father is controlling Auric to take the leadership of the Fortanas. She arranges a family gathering at the old stone bridge, hoping that the location will trigger Auric memories. Instead, Fateh provoke confrontation and places a gun in the Auric hand and telling Adil murdered a relative that years earlier. Auric pointed the weapon at the Adil while the Alani stepped between them. She will tell the Auric that she will not explain who he was to him. She will only ask what kind of the man he wants to be. Now her wounds will break the manipulation and Aurak lowers the gun. Then a hidden shooter fired from the tree. Aurak instinctively shields Elani, repeating the same act of his love. His reminds posed forget. As he falls, the memory returned. The person who injected him was not the Amiri or Fateh, but someone he trusted completely. He whispered the name of the Elani just before losing consciousness again, leaving her staring toward the family with the honor.